This is a 答题卡, answer card. When you have finished your test on the set of paper, you already circled out the answers you chose. Now you need to transfer that answer onto this answer card. It's very important because this computer read your answers, give you the point. So you need to mark your answers, choose the correct answer of your choice, and fill these little brackets. Use pencil, fill it in like a solid rectangle into the answer of your choice. Fill it in solidly like this. For the listening or reading, if your judgment for that question was correct, then you fill in this, totally make it totally black. Then you're thinking, no, that was not correct. Okay, you fill in the one not correct in there. Very important. So when you transfer the answer over to here, must be very, very careful. Do not mix the questions. I just carelessly fill in the answer for number 7 into the number 6, or carelessly forgot to do number 8. I put the number 9's answer into 28. Be very, very careful to avoid these kinds of careless mistakes. Transfer your answers question by question very carefully. If I chose number F is for number 6, then you cross out the number 5, fill in all in black like this. That's how you transfer your answers onto your answer sheet. The top part is personal information. You fill in your name, fill in your examination ID code. For example, on the examination card, if your ID code is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then you cross out, fill in this very black 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That shows you who you are on the examination card. So the computer read this code, pull out, this is this person did this test. Very important, don't get this part wrong. Okay, so your age, if you are 9 years old, you cross out 9. If you're 12 years old, you cross out 1 and 2 here. If you're 14, 1 and 4 here. If you're 7 years old, just do the 7 here. So that's your age. Are you Chinese? Yeah, are you Chinese origin? Mother tongue is Mandarin Chinese. If you are, cross out this one. If you're not, do the number 2. 不是。好， nationality, we will do this together with you to tell you the nationality code. It should be printed on your examination card. Transfer that. I think for the UK, British nationality is 6, 3, 4. You got to do 6, 3, and 4. Then the computer pull out to say which country you're from. Now, 性别 means gender. Are you a boy or are you a girl? Girl, do this. Boy, do that. 考点 is our examination center's code. And we will give that to you on the day, as well as is on your examination card. The ID card you will be given is printed on there. For example, if our center code is 321, you do 3, 2, 1. Shows which center you did your test. Now, 学习汉语的时间, how long have you been learning Chinese? You can say 2 years, more than 2 years, 1 year to 18 months, 18 months to 2 years. So you can put 2 years, more than 2 years there. Just fill in the 6. Fill in like that, and then fill in number 6. So this is how you do your question card, answer card. And on the day, the teacher will help you with this part as much as we can. We do it together, carefully, slowly, don't get it wrong. And then when you transfer the answers onto this bit, be very careful. Double check is the correct question. Double check I put the correct answer of my choice in there and cross out this way. making sure you fill them up very solidly like this black into that bracket to make sure the computer can pick it up and read your answers. Okay, that's how we use answer card. 谢谢。